Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Well, this time of year has come around again, Ramadan. The question is, do we want to do another Ramadan like the Ramadans before? Or do we want to do a different Ramadan? A Ramadan where we come out of Ramadan feeling we have achieved something spiritually, emotionally, intellectually. Is that what we want? Or do we just want to enjoy Ramadan, the time of festivities, celebration, Ramadan nights, shopping, partying? Isn't it time that we stop for a minute and think about this? What is it that we really want from Ramadan? Because Allah didn't prescribe Ramadan as a month of festivities. Yes, there is Eid. At the end of Ramadan, there is Eid. That's a festival, a yearly, annual festival. Fine, that day, that's been prescribed for that. Ending Ramadan. Not that Ramadan should be like Eid, that all the 30 days or 29 days of Ramadan, we should be celebrating, enjoying. That's not really what Ramadan was prescribed for. We all know the verse wherein Allah said that He prescribed fasting for us as He prescribed fasting for those before us. The Christians, the Jews, all of the various religions have some element of fasting in it. Why? لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ, in order that you would become more conscious of God. Taqwa. This is what Ramadan is supposed to be about. Taqwa is not enjoyment. It's not festivity, celebration. It is a state of mind, of heart, of soul. This is what Ramadan is supposed to be about. So how do we get there? That's what we should be thinking about. We should be aware of what Ramadan was intended for, so that we can find the necessary components, take the necessary steps to get there. This is the thought for today, that we stop for a minute and think about Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.